I just made $2,500 last month using an AI tool that most people haven't heard of, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. The tool is called LLaMA, and it's an artificial intelligence model that can generate human-like text based on a given prompt. What's unique about LLaMA is that it can be fine-tuned for specific tasks, such as writing articles, generating social media posts, or even creating entire ebooks. I've been experimenting with LLaMA for a few months now, and I've found that it can be a game changer for anyone looking to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. The reason most people struggle to make money with AI tools is that they don't understand how to use them effectively. They might try to use a tool like LLaMA to generate content, but they don't take the time to fine-tune it for their specific needs. As a result, the content they generate is often low quality and not engaging. To use LLaMA effectively, you need to understand how to prompt it correctly, how to fine-tune it for your specific task, and how to edit and refine the output. The actual method for using LLaMA to generate income is quite straightforward. First, you need to identify a specific niche or topic that you want to generate content for. This could be anything from health and wellness to finance or technology. Once you've identified your niche, you can use LLaMA to generate high-quality content such as articles, blog posts, or social media posts. You can then sell this content to clients or use it to drive traffic to your own website or affiliate links. One of the key benefits of using LLaMA is that it can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of spending hours writing and editing content, you can use LLaMA to generate it in a matter of minutes. This means that you can focus on higher-level tasks such as marketing and sales, rather than getting bogged down in the details of content creation. I've found that by using LLaMA, I can generate content up to 10 times faster than I could before, which has been a total game changer for my business. To give you an example of how I've used LLaMA to generate income, I recently landed a client who needed 10 high-quality articles written on a specific topic. I used LLaMA to generate the articles and then edited and refined them to ensure they met the client's requirements. The total time it took me to complete the project was around 5 hours, and I charged the client $1,500 for the work. This works out to an hourly rate of $300, which is significantly higher than what I could earn by writing the content myself. Another way I've used LLaMA to generate income is by creating and selling ebooks. I found that by using LLaMA to generate the content, I can create high-quality ebooks in a matter of days rather than weeks or months. I've sold these ebooks on platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and have earned up to $1,000 per month in passive income. The key to success with this strategy is to identify a profitable niche and create an ebook that meets the needs of your target audience. If you want to start using LLaMA to generate income, the first step is to sign up for an account and start experimenting with the tool. You can use the free version of LLaMA to get started, and then upgrade to a paid plan as you become more comfortable with the tool. It's also important to take the time to learn how to prompt LLaMA effectively, as this will have a big impact on the quality of the content you generate. I recommend starting with simple prompts and gradually increasing the complexity as you become more confident. In terms of the results you can expect, it really depends on how you choose to use LLaMA. If you're using it to generate content for clients, you can expect to earn anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on the scope of the projects you're working on. If you're using LLaMA to create and sell ebooks, you can expect to earn anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per month in passive income. The key is to be consistent and to continually refine your skills and strategy over time. One of the things I like about LLaMA is that it's a relatively unknown tool, which means that there's less competition compared to other AI tools on the market. This makes it easier to stand out and establish yourself as an expert in your niche. Additionally, the LLaMA community is very supportive, with many users sharing their knowledge and expertise with others. This makes it easy to get help and feedback when you need it, which is essential for anyone looking to succeed with this tool. To get started with LLaMA today, I recommend checking out the official website and signing up for an account. From there, you can start experimenting with the tool and learning how to use it to generate high-quality content. It's also a good idea to join the LLaMA community, where you can connect with other users and learn from their experiences. With the right strategy and mindset, you can use LLaMA to generate significant income and take your business to the next level. In terms of the potential downsides of using LLaMA, one of the main limitations is that it can be difficult to fine-tune the tool for specific tasks. This requires a significant amount of time and effort, and can be frustrating if you're not getting the results you want. Additionally, LLaMA is not perfect, and can sometimes generate content that is low quality or inaccurate. This means that you need to be careful when using the tool and make sure to edit and refine the output carefully. Despite these limitations, I believe that LLaMA has the potential to be a game changer for anyone looking to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. In conclusion, LLaMA is a powerful AI tool that can be used to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. By fine-tuning the tool for specific tasks and using it to generate content such as articles, ebooks, and social media posts, you can earn significant income and take your business to the next level.
With its ease of use, flexibility, and potential for high earnings, LLaMA is an essential tool for anyone looking to succeed in the digital economy.